To have the right tools means you need to be able to have either a manual-based process or a digital process. And the process will involve being able to capture information, so capturing tasks, capturing ideas, and capturing different projects that you're working on, goals, and putting that all into a system, an inbox. So you need some sort of inbox where you're recording everything. And once you have that, that's when you can start sorting things out into its buckets, right? And so this is something that I've had to learn myself over the years, because when I started trading, I was just full on 100% trading, and I ended up burning out. And it was really exciting, obviously, learning how to trade and trading live. It's very exciting. If you're new to it, you can see how easy it is to make money. And so the mistake that I made was I wasn't knowledgeable, and no one ever taught me how to be organized. And so I had to go out my way to learn how to be organized, because I ended up being so stressed. I had so many things going on. I had to pay my bills. I had to, continue to develop my trading. Yet I wasn't getting anything done. Yet, the house was a mess. My office was a mess. Paperwork everywhere. I had other projects that I wanted to start a business as well. It was just all over the place. And so the first book that I ended up picking up, which was an absolute life changer, was Getting Things Done. And this book, I'll link it into the discussion afterwards when I post a replay for this. Getting Things Done it was a book. What was the author's name? I just can't think of it right now. But anyway, this book absolutely changed my paradigm when it came to organization. And it's all about gaining all this information of your tasks, all the goals, everything that you need to do, all your projects, and being able to organize it in a step-by-step process. So I turned this information in the book into a digital format using Evernote. And just recently, so I was using Evernote for like a good 3-4 years. And just recently I moved over to Notion, which is a new software, way better than Evernote when it comes to organizing and project planning. And so this tool is a digital format. So for me, it works really well to be able to write something down on my computer and put a notification on it for a future date, right? And then I get a notification at that date on my phone. I've tried a manual-based schedule and planner and everything like that and journal, but it was just a bit more friction. It took more effort. It's quite enjoyable to do it manually, but it takes a lot more energy. And so sometimes you get a bit lazy, especially at nighttime when you need to review your day and organize your next day. If you're quite tired and you have to go through your planner manually, it can be a bit kind of off-putting. So that's what I found personally. But if you can motivate yourself to be consistent with a manual-based process,